Corolla GR Sport, a standard off-the-shelf road car, it's been able to produce quite a stunning lap time. Still on road tyres, still with the air conditioning, still being able to play the radio if you want, and relatively effortlessly to do.
Toyota Corolla AE86 is a rather famous car if you've ever seen any drift videos or into the drift scene, and it will be remembered as that for a very, very long time.
The Toyota Corolla GR Sport felt really good today. To be honest, I haven't driven a road car around the track for a long time. I was quite surprised how much front end it had. Yeah, it's just a good fun car to drive.
One of the things that surprised me and took me back getting into an older race car were the noise. Going back to a hatchback gearbox, no power steering and trying to force it in, no ABS on the car at all and no traction control, loads of concentration needed to produce that time. Then you jump into the road car and it'll do that time effortlessly because of all of those things.
I think it's really impressive, the new Toyota Corolla, how well it's taken to the circuit, and I know Sam has put it through its paces.
Being in a road car, coming out onto the track with the BTCC car that I drive right in my mirrors.
The difference in performance between the two modern cars is probably the added power that we have in the British Touring Car Championship. We're nearly up at 400 horsepower, and I think that gives a big benefit to me.
One of my stranger days on track. I don't think I've ever been on circuit with a range of cars like that, but all with the same name on the back of them.
For me, the most impressive car here today has been the Toyota Corolla GR Sport. I've got a lot of pride in the cars that we developed and built. It's mind-blowing to think how much effort went into making cars that were that quick back then to now be able to go and buy one off the shelf that will produce that kind of a lap time.
As much as I like to have a bit of sport, which this car actually has, it's also nice to have the luxury of comfort. I might try and convince someone to give me a loan of one soon.